In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for files you shared with certain people in Google Drive. This can be a handy skill to have, especially if you frequently collaborate with others and need a quick way to locate shared documents. Let's jump right into the process and make your Google Drive experience a bit more efficient. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage, where you can see all your stored files, organized beautifully by folders and categories. Once you're here, the next step is to use Google Drive's powerful search functionality. Located at the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. Google Drive allows you to use specific search operators to fine-tune your inquiries, and the operator you'll need today is to. This operator is extremely useful because it helps you pinpoint the files you've shared with specific individuals. In the search bar, you'll want to type the operator to, followed immediately by the person's full email address. Make sure there are no spaces between to and the email you're entering. It should all be one continuous string. For example, if you're looking for files you've shared with Jane Doe at her email address, you would type to jane.doe@example.com. It's important to ensure that you're entering the correct email address, as even a small typo can lead to different results. This method will filter and display all files that you've shared with that particular person, saving you the hassle of sifting through your entire drive. This can be incredibly beneficial for managing projects or tracking down important documents that were part of past collaborations. One quick tip is to familiarize yourself with the email addresses of your most frequent collaborators. By doing so, you'll be able to easily remember and type them into the search bar without having to look up each one, which can save time in the long run. Once you've entered the email address and hit enter, Google Drive will present you with a list of all the files shared with that individual. You can click on each file to open it, view the contents, or make any necessary changes. This method not only helps in organizing your work, but also ensures that you can quickly share updates or revisions with your collaborators. That's it. With this simple technique, you can efficiently find any files you've shared with specific people on Google Drive. It's a small trick, but one that dramatically enhances how you manage and access shared files. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tips on how to maximize your use of Google Drive and other productivity tools. Thank you for watching.